castings. They'll have a casting block that'll make 100 Matchbox cars at a time. Maybe we just make that real big.
Wow, much better than Uber. That's the very first impression shared by nearly everyone who has actually experienced Tesla's robotaxi service so far. On June 22, 2025, Tesla officially launched its long-awaited robotaxi service in Austin, Texas, a milestone moment for autonomous driving. Based on the data from the very first 24 hours, the service completed around 550 trips, covering over 280 miles with a small fleet of 10 to 2,000 Tesla Model Y SUVs equipped with Tesla's unsupervised full self-driving software. The price? Just $0.0014 per mile, or roughly $4.20 for an average trip. That's a lot cheaper than Uber's typical rates in Austin, which range between $1.50 to $2 per mile depending on demand. Pretty incredible, right? Would you give it a try? Let us know in the comments. Before we dive deeper, make sure you're subscribed to AutoIntel. We're on a mission to hit 1,000 subscribers, and we'd love to have you along for the ride. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss these updates. So, is this $0.0014 fair? Yes, $4.20 per ride actually real? And what are real riders and even Elon Musk himself saying about the experience? Let's look into that together. Welcome to AutoIntel. I'm Danny, and in this video, we'll explore whether Tesla's robotaxi fares truly live up to the hype and what early passengers have to say. This isn't speculation. This was confirmed directly by Elon Musk himself in a post on X. Musk wrote that the Robotaxi launch began in Austin that afternoon, and that customers paid a $4.20 flat fee, backed by Tesla's official company channels including a dedicated Robotaxi app and live website. That means Tesla didn't just leak this as a rumor. It's a live figure that early customers are seeing and paying right now. Multiple videos from first riders actually show the fare on screen, and receipts confirm the charge. Pretty exciting stuff, isn't it? Would you jump in for that price? Unlike Tesla's usual product launches, this rollout feels more cautious and measured. Tesla is starting small, only allowing pre-approved passengers to use the service in certain parts of Austin. Why? To monitor the system's performance closely, ensure safety, and collect data before making it more widely available. Don't you think this is a smart move for Tesla? Let me know your thoughts. And Tesla is pushing for change beyond Austin too. Tesla has ramped up lobbying in Washington, D.C. for a national legal framework to support autonomous cars. Right now, companies have to navigate a confusing patchwork of state and local laws. That's a huge headache for Tesla, especially when they aim to scale this technology across the entire country. Texas, where this pilot is happening, is one of the most lenient states for self-driving tests. Even so, federal restrictions still pose a challenge. Regulations currently allow only 2,500 driverless vehicles without traditional controls per company every year. Tesla can work around that for now with its Model Y robotaxis, but long-term ambitions like putting hundreds of thousands or even 1 million robotaxis on the road mean Tesla will eventually need more flexibility. And yes, Tesla does plan to scale up fast. Musk himself has hinted that Tesla wants to deploy hundreds of thousands of robotaxis or even 1 million as soon as next year. Ambitious, isn't it? Many experts say that level of deployment probably won't happen until closer to 2028, but it's clear Tesla intends to grow this as quickly as it can. And that $4.20 rate is key to Tesla's plan. From an economic standpoint, Tesla undercuts every major competitor, including Waymo, which charges over $20 per ride, more than 385% higher than Tesla's rates. Uber and Lyft? They cost around $15.58, or $14.44 on average. Tesla's pricing is super aggressive, And that's possible because Tesla builds its robotaxis very differently. While most companies depend on expensive LiDAR systems that can cost up to $100,000 per car, Tesla relies on vision-only software powered by cameras and neural networks. This strategy means Tesla's Model Y robotaxis cost just a fraction of what Waymo spends per vehicle. Tesla even estimates that one robotaxi costs them 1/7 of what Waymo pays. That's a game changer. But there's something you need to keep in mind: that $4.20 rate is introductory. Tesla has already hinted that prices will change once more riders jump in and robotaxis scale up. Musk himself explained this is part of an early access rollout meant to attract attention, stress test the system, and gather data. Do you think that's a smart strategy? Share your thoughts below. And that number, 420, that's no coincidence either. Musk loves using this meme-laced figure, going back to his famous funding secured at $420 per share tweet back in 2018. It grabs attention and fits Tesla's cheeky style. But beneath the joke is a serious plan to slash operating costs. Musk believes Tesla can drop the cost of its robo-taxi service, the upcoming Cybercab, to just 20 cents per mile once it scales up, with customers paying as little as 30 or 40 cents per mile. That matches ARK Invest's projections too. Just imagine an autonomous service so affordable that car ownership itself becomes less appealing. Would you sell your car for this? Tell me in the comments. By the way, have you subscribed to autointel yet? If not, this is your reminder we're working toward our first 1,000 subscribers and would truly appreciate your support. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss the next Tesla Deep Dive. Tesla's ambitions go way beyond Austin. Musk says Tesla aims for rapid expansion and that these robotaxis could be available in dozens of cities sooner than most expect. Compare that to Waymo, Tesla's biggest competitor, which currently operates around 500 autonomous cars across a handful of cities like San Francisco and Los Angeles. Waymo is more cautious and regulatory-driven. Tesla, on the other hand, is moving fast and hoping software, data, and scale will do most of the heavy lifting. And let's pause for a moment and remember why this matters. Tesla wants to make autonomous rides affordable enough to transform urban mobility forever, so cheap and convenient that owning a personal car might seem outdated. Wouldn't that change everything? Tesla clearly thinks so. Early riders seem to agree too. Passengers who have tried the service give it a 92% satisfaction rate. Trips last an average of 15 minutes, and Tesla claims a 99.8% autonomy rate, meaning human intervention is needed less than one time out of 500 trips. Pretty remarkable. Would you feel safe riding in one? Let us know. And Tesla's Model Y robotaxi looks the part. The interior is sleek and minimalist with a big central screen that controls everything: navigation, entertainment, trip status. Safety measures like the screen that says "Please wait safely" and clear prompts to buckle up or tap start ride help passengers feel comfortable. Plus, the large panoramic glass roof and tinted windows make the ride feel spacious and futuristic. Tesla even programmed polite voice responses like, "Thanks for riding Robotaxi, have a good one," which riders say make the experience feel friendly. Before I wrap up, I want to quickly remind you why this matters. Tesla isn't just testing a new feature, they're pushing the entire concept of affordable driverless mobility into the mainstream. It could reduce congestion, make rides more affordable than ever, and completely change the economics of car ownership. Tesla wants this to scale fast, and what happens in Austin could pave the way for similar rollouts across the country and eventually around the world. So, what do you think? Would you hop into a Tesla Robotaxi at that introductory rate? Could you see yourself using Robotaxis as your main way of getting around one day? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to read them. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and help us get to our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.
This audio was created with Podcastle.ai